Yeah, hello, my name is Marc Hannis. I work for Ofwat and I lead on the Ofwat Innovation Fund. So we are funding through the Innovation Fund 90% of the costs of this project. So we're pretty heavily involved, although it's not particularly hands-on, and we're really excited to see where this goes. Yeah, so it is the first time I've seen this up close. I wasn't quite sure what to expect. It's certainly bigger than I thought it was going to be, and also just how quickly it's churning out the things that it's actually building through the concrete as well. I was amazed in the 10 or 15 minutes we stood watching it, how much it grew during that short period. So I think they're the two things that I was really excited and interested to see. We're looking for alternatives to mass capital building products and projects, and I think the UK manufacturing sector at the moment probably cannot cope with the sort of demand the water sector, at least, not to mention all the other sectors, are about to put upon it. So if we can find alternative ways of that manufacturing, I think that's going to really, really help. In terms of timelines, I also think it's going to have some cost and efficiency benefits as well. And I think what the challenge, I guess, for the water sector is to see what's going on here, and for this to get some traction a little bit further afield than just United Utilities and its partners. And then we can really test whether or not this has got legs and is viable in the long term for the water sector.
I'm Kieran Brocklebank. I'm the Head of Innovation here at United Utilities. One of the beauties of 3D printing is the speed. We can print things faster than we can placing purchase orders, waiting for a factory to build them and to get them delivered. The fact that we're not going to be reliant on other suppliers, we're going to be self-sufficient, we'll have our own designs, we can print them ourselves, and of course the fact that we can make bespoke designs very quickly means we can print bespoke products faster than we've ever been able to do. I think we should all get excited about that. All those years of hard work, of working with our partners, with Changemaker 3D, our United Utilities engineering community, we've converted an idea into a practical reality, and everyone is helping every day. We've still got a little way to go, but we're collaborating so well today, and I want to say thank you to all those project partners under this Ofwat funded project.